Hi guys, please turn on the CC for subtitle. To upload a music, please enter into your Roblox and then click more and then click create. It will navigate to the web page, Roblox web page. Over there you need to click creation and development items. Over there you need to click audio and you need to click upload or assert, and over here you can upload your music. It should be 20 mm below and it should be 7 minutes below. So I'm here just uploading one of my music. Yeah, please make sure the condition should be follow like 20 mm below and 7 minutes below. So once you upload, please click the upload icon and it shows like yeah, the music is uploaded. So this is how guys we can upload our music into the Roblox. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.